going live tonight. I was trying to demonstrate something and things started connecting to other devices. I promise y'all, I'm so sorry. Sorry. But welcome back. Welcome back. This is my third attempt tonight. This is the raw and uncut. That's the only thing about live is if something happens, it just happens. So I apologize again for what happened. I'm back. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because these things are starting to connect to other devices, and that's not what I want. Okay. All right. So, in a previous live that is now unavailable, I was demonstrating how to connect or use Chat GPT 4.0, which is brand new. So, I'm going to quickly go back over what we did. This is our previous chat. I was explaining to you all. So welcome back and thank you for the likes. If you're returning, I apologize again for that little snafu. But I was letting people know that there is I purchased the, hey, what happened? I know what happened, Nayeli. I had a malfunction with one of my phones. It connected. I did not want that to happen, so I had to delete the live, and now I'm back. But anyway, we were talking about the what were we talking about? We were talking about the iOS 18 beta right before I had to cut. But I was also demonstrating some of the features of Chat GPT 4.0. I have the premium, I guess the subscription version. So I went ahead and demonstrated that earlier. I'm going to do it again. I apologize again for the snafu. But on the bottom right side, so this is ChatGPT. This is the plus version, $20 a month. I subscribe through Apple. All you have to do is tap here, and I'm going to just ask it a question. So on the right, it is very conversational. That's what I really like. All right, so let's go ahead. Let me start a new chat. It said to use advanced. So let me go ahead and start a new chat. All right, so you see that little blue circle there? Hello, how are you tonight? What? This thing's not even responding. Let's see. Let me start over. Okay, in that chat, I'm gonna start again. Hello, how are you tonight?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? How's your night going?
It's okay. Hey Lola, I had a little snafu earlier. I was trying to stream and I put one phone by the other and it did some weird stuff. So anyway, we're back. I had to delete my previous live, but we're back. So I do have a few questions for you. Last stream, some of my viewers wanted to know if there was a way to get some ideas for starting YouTube or getting started on YouTube. So do you have any tips for individuals looking to start their own YouTube channel? That's my question.
Absolutely. Starting a YouTube channel can be exciting. Here are some tips. Find your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about and can create consistent content for. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or vlogs, a clear focus helps attract a dedicated audience. 2. Quality over perfection. Good audio and video quality are important, but you don't need expensive equipment to start. Use what you have and focus on improving your content over time. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. Engaging viewers makes them more likely to return and share your content. 4. Consistent uploads. Create a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Consistency helps retain viewers and improves your channel's visibility. 5. Optimize your videos. Use catchy titles, relevant tags, and engaging thumbnails. This helps your videos get discovered. 6. Learn from analytics. Keep an eye on YouTube analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Use this data to refine your content strategy. 7. Stay authentic. Be yourself. Authenticity resonates with viewers and helps you stand out in a crowded space. Getting started might feel overwhelming.
All right. So you just stopped in the middle. So, guys, this is once again, let me go ahead and mute him real quick.
Sure, no problem. I'll be right here when you're ready.
Okay. So, anyway, I muted it because, if I'm talking, it's going to respond. But this is the Chat GPT Plus. It's very conversational. You can have it to do so many different things, really, if you want something just for information purposes, idea purposes. This is very good. Now, you don't have to purchase the $20 plan like I did. I'm just trialing it for like a month or so just to see how good it is. But you can get it for free. And of course, this is not sponsored. This is just me giving out some tips. You can get it for free. They give you about 10 minutes of, dialogue, I guess, for free for like a month. So if you want to just try it out, you can do that. But if you want to purchase a $20 one, you can as well. It's very conversational. I like that it just kind of flows with the conversation. I can pick back up, from what we were talking about. I really believe in AI generated content. You do have to vet it though. So everything that this thing says is not like 100%, but if it's something general and broad, like the tips it just gave, should be okay. So let me know in the comments if you all use any AI or any chat applications. Let's get some more questions. Anybody in the comments, do you have a question that you want me to ask Chat GPT Plus? Anything that might be unique, or do you have any questions for me? Once again, I'm a part of the virtual live community through YouTube, so I am trying to get some experience. They told us that we have homework every week, and this week, again, I have to do yet another vertical live, and to encourage you all to use the vertical live platform. So all you have to do is take out your phone, hit that live button, especially if you meet the criteria for streaming live here. Seems pretty easy. You said, okay, so Lola has a comment. Let's see what you're saying, Lola. So you said, okay, I mean the character thing I showed you. What does that mean? The character thing I showed you. Can you clarify for me? That would be great. I mean the character thing I showed you. And Nayeli said, oh my God, the live. You know what? This thing here, when I tap on it, it only stays live for a little bit. So I don't understand. I mean, it only shows up on the screen for a little bit. Oh my God, the live was almost falling on your channel in a question mark. Yeah, I'm not sure. With that translation, Nayeli, I'm not sure, but I'll look at it later. So anything else as close to the AI as I got? Oh, the character. Okay, now I follow you. Okay, so you said the character voices. What's interesting is Lola shared with me once that one of the apps. Can you put the name of the app, Lola, in the chat, because I can't remember the name. But she was like, one of the apps that she was perusing for voices, for AI voices, sounded just like me. And when I went to listen to it, she actually showed me a sample. It did sound like me, so that was pretty creepy. So I don't know if somebody took one of my videos and made a voice out of it, made and it was under the, what was it, Black Voices category. So I guess they liked the way I spoke, as a person of color. I don't know, but if it wasn't me, the person sounded like eerily close to how I sound. So thought that was interesting. All right, so we are 10 minutes in. Let me go ahead and ask another question. I'm trying to think of something. Hello, I'm back.
Welcome back. Ready to continue?
Yes. So, what can you just explain to my audience? Because again, I'm live streaming on YouTube. So, can you explain to my audience some of the things that you do, something that's cool or unique?
Absolutely. I'd love to. Hey everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'm ChatGPT, an AI designed to chat, help out with questions, and even assist with learning new things. One cool feature is that I can adapt to different topics and interests, making our conversations engaging and personalized. Plus, I'm here to provide tips, advice, or just chat about your favorite topics. Whether it's discussing the latest in technology, diving into creative storytelling, or providing guidance on a variety of subjects, I'm here to make our time together both fun and informative.
All right. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate your comments. I'm going to go ahead and mute him
You're
there.
very welcome. I'm glad to be of help.
But what do you guys think about the voices, the response time? I think it's pretty cool. Again, if you download it yourself to try it out on your device, you may or may not notice a lag or latency between asking a question and the response. But here I am paying $20 a month. It's pretty intuitive. It's going pretty fast. You might hear a little glitching, but that's probably more my Wi-Fi than anything, or it could be their server. I'm not sure. But yes, I think some of these AI chat applications are nice. Hey, Gadget Goddess. Hey, welcome, welcome. Awesome, awesome. He thought it was me. Yes, welcome. So we're just having a quick chat. Gadget Goddess, y'all check out her channel as well. She's another tech woman in the YouTube space. It's not many of us, so we have to stick together. So I do appreciate you coming. But yes, we were just having a brief chat with Chat GPT 4.0. I have the premium version, and I was just going live. Of course, YouTube is encouraging creators to use the vertical live feature within the YouTube app. So I'm in a boot camp that I'm taking right now through YouTube. And every week we're supposed to do a live video. So this is my tech chat for this week. So thank you all so much for coming in. Thank you for the likes. Let me know if you have any questions regarding Chat GPT 4.0 Plus. I'll go ahead and yes, you're most welcome. Thank you for being here. Gadget Goddess. Yes, ma'am. I have a love hate. Oh, wow. Thank you for sharing. Oh, yeah, but love hate. What is the love and what is the hate? Let us know in the comments. What do you love about AI in general? I will say for me, I like the Chat GPT features. I just discovered the new, goodness, I'm on the phone that I want to look up some stuff. I'm so used to grab my phone, but there's one that you can use to create music. So on my channel, my welcome theme song was created. I think it's you. What is it called? Oh goodness, I can't think of it. I'll put it in the chat in the description box when we're done, because I can't think of it. I think it's just you. It starts with a U. But anyway, all you have to do is put in the lyrics, or you can put in the topic. Then you select the style of music that you want, and you just press generate, and it generates like 3 or 4 different choices of a song. So you can make a YouTube intro so easy just using one of the AI generated programs. So I'll again link it in the description. So let me check the chat here. So Gadget Goddess said, love Chat GPT for work things, but AI creating fake things, I don't care. But I agree. I know at one point they were talking about artists, their art getting ripped off based, well, the Chat GPT was like scouring the internet, and if there was some art online, then it was taking it and creating images and just kind of, I wouldn't say stealing, but borrowing, I guess, high level borrowing a lot of the artistic inspiration and putting it together. So I agree with you on that. It's probably not a good thing. It's not a good thing that sometimes it will rip off some hardworking artists. So that's one of the bad things. But as far as like you mentioned, for work and other things, I think it's great. I work with visually impaired individuals, so for my day job, and then my evening job is working with clients that are seniors. So I think, because if you're visually impaired or totally blind and you're unable to go on, like physically go on to a like Safari or one of the web browsers and physically search for things, is good to have something like this that you can just ask questions. So a lot of my clients really, really appreciate it when I turn them on to it, and they like it because they're able to ask for stats and things like that. Now with iOS 18, for all of you iOS people, iOS 18, Siri's supposed to be smarter. I don't know about that. I haven't seen a whole lot of proof that she's that much smarter. But before I cut the previous live, I was demonstrating how the well, I think we were talking about the AI Apple Intelligence that's now available through on iOS 18. Okay, so 16 minutes in. We'll go to 20 minutes or so unless you all have some additional comments or questions. But I'll go ahead and try to see if we can get him to say something else interesting. Okay, I am back again. Can you help me with another thing?
Of course, I'm here to help.
All
What
right.
do you need assistance with? Got
Can
it.
can you write like a poem? So I want like a tech poem. I'm big into technology, YouTube, iPhones, Android phones. So can you write me a nice little poem that like pays homage to technology?
Certainly. Here's a tech inspired poem for you. In the digital realm where bytes dance and play, lies a world of connections just a click away. From YouTube's vast ocean, where creators take flight, to smartphones in hand, our beacons of light. The iPhone, a marvel, sleek in its design, a symphony of apps where innovation shines. Android, its counterpart, diverse and robust, an open source canvas for creators we trust. Together they power this age of our time, where ideas spark and innovation climbs. Oh, tech, dear tech, you weave our tales in pixels and code, our future sails.
All right. Thank you very much for that. That was beautiful.
I'm glad you liked it. It was fun to create. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Will do. All right, so what y'all think about that poem? So, I mean, it's just one example of all the different things that it can do. Um, yeah, so I think that's that. If you all have any other comments, any questions, anything you want to say, I'm gonna start wrapping it up. We're going into a little 20 minutes. So this was kind of quick tonight. I just want to do a video just to show you all the chat. So I see people in and out tonight. Thank you all for the likes if you are coming in. Oh, you love the poem. So Gadget got it. Let me see. So as she said, love the poem. When you finish your live, you should check out the AI talking to each other. YouTube sucked me in one day and watched two of them, and they hold on, accuse each other of being AI. That is funny. I will do that, and I don't need to be going down any rabbit holes tonight, Gadget Goddess. But I do appreciate the recommendation, and I think I've seen like shorts of them doing that, so I definitely I'll check it out. But yo, I have things. I have a test to take. I'm taking a technology test, and I'm going to be studying for that. So that's why I'm trying to avoid some of those rabbit holes. But you know me, I'm a YouTube girly, so I'm going to definitely check it out. So thank you all so much. Thanks for that comment, Gadget Goddess. Thanks, Daniel. Thank you, Lola. Thank you, Naeli. Yes, you too. Have a great evening. Thank y'all so much for being here. If you check out Chat GPT, either the free or the paid version, make a comment below and let me know what you all think. So that's it, y'all. Have a great night, and thank you so much for coming. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for viewing. Make sure to share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Can you just tell my audience good night? We are ending our live, please.
Of course. Thanks for having me. Good night, everyone. It's been great spending time with you all. Until next time, take care.